So it is about 9:40 in the morning, and I'm going to meet Preetham today, and we all are going to go to McD, and that's the basic plan. And we are also going to discuss about the future plans of going to trips and something like that. I already got late by a little bit, so I have to go and pick Preetham first. And today I'm going to take the car out because I didn't take it out in a while, so it makes sense to take it out now. Let's go. So I just came to Preetham's house. It's been a very long time since I took the car out, and it is looking a bit very dirty, but no problem in that. I'm just waiting for Preetham. He is coming. He's on the way. So today's plan is more of like a just meetup plan, and then we are going to discuss what we are going to do and what are the future trips going to be. So let's see what's going to happen. Let us meet first. This is more going to be like a public vlog. I haven't done it like since a very long time, so no problem in that. I think he's searching for me. Wait a minute. Here comes Preetham.
Oh, bro.
Hi, Preetham.
Hi, bro.
Intra spectacles marcho. Gettiga ittu.
Hi.
So it's been a very long time since we both met.
Yes.
4 months.
More than 4 months, actually.
So today we are going to McD, and we are going to meet other people also. ఆర్కే కూడా వస్తున్నాడు. ఫోన్లో ఆడిని కూడా కలిసినట్టు ఉంటుంది కదా. సర్లే, లెట్స్ గో దేర్.
Bye.
Future trips, plans. So we just came to McD, and you can see our car from here. So Preetham, ఏంట్రా ఇన్ని రోజులు అంతా busy working schedules have been ruined.
Our personal life, actually.
Yeah, they also ruined their personal life. This is the first time me vlogging so publicly. నేను ఎప్పుడూ ఇంత గట్టిగా vlog చేయలేదు అనమాట. అంటే the people are roaming around me and I'm vlogging, speaking to a camera like a dumbass. Sometimes it happens, but I also have to get habituated.
Exactly.
Most of the people who come into my vlog are Bhaskar, Kishan, Preetham and Abhishek, who speak before the camera with me. But for me, remaining people, it's like kind of embarrassing. They get embarrassed a lot because the people are walking around and
They are very actually private. There's nothing like they are.
they want to be secure. And now Vishnu and RK are also coming. So we are also going to vlog with them. So we just came out of McD, and the thing is we ate it very well. Not McD, we ate McD meals very well. So we did a funny thing that my camera,
Hi.
sometimes it goes like that. So we were like sitting at the top floor just before Vishnu and RK came.
From there we operated our car.
So the thing is, I didn't know that my car's remote is going to work from there to here for that long distance, but it worked.
Congratulations, bro.
In order to keep Vishnu's helmet in my car, so it worked. Now we are going to RK's house in order to give Vishnu's in order to chill out, and we are going to leave Vishnu's bike there, and then we will roam a little bit, and then we will go
12:30.
Yes, 12:30, and then we will go back home.
Sometimes I do mistakes in vlogs.
Sometimes it happens, so I'm trying to commit less number of mistakes. So what about you? Are you going to come to Deomali or Vanjangi?
No idea. Yes.
So Preetham and I decided to go to Deomali, and next then we are going to go by car to Chitrakoot. So
Maybe in the month of August.
ఆగస్టా జూలైలో అయిపోతుంది కదా. లాక్డౌన్ అయితే జూలైలో. జూన్లో అయితే జూలై స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అది. మరి ఆర్కే గడ ఇంకా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళలేదు తెలియదు. యూ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ ఆర్కే వెంట హోమ్ అన్న.
కలిసారా?
ఇంటికి రావాల్సిందిరా. మెక్డీస్ ప్లాన్
నిన్నే నేను అనుకున్నాను రా బర్గర్ తినాలన్నట్టు ఆದ್ರೆ ఎందుకో లాగింది పొద్దున్న నువ్వు అనగానే అమ్మ వచ్చేద్దా అనుకున్నాను హ్యాపీ
వర్క్ కాల్స్ జూమ్ ఆల్సో కాంట్ స్కిప్ ద వర్క్
Workaholic.
వర్కహాలిక్
You want to maintain the workmanship. Boyfriend, ये मेरे ये कार है.
చెప్పరా
నాకు సంబంధం లేదండి
సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్ ద వ్లాగ్ హియర్ గైస్
వీడియో ఆన్ చేసిన కానీ చూస్తాడు చూసి ఆడి పేరు ఏదో రాహుల్ ఏదో దిస్ ఇస్ రాహుల్ వన్స్ అగైన్ అంటే పట్టణ వెనకలు పడిపోతాడు అలా ట్రంబుల్ అయితే దింగేస్తాడు
we won't do like that. It won't happen to me like that. So we are going to end the vlog here guys. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share my video for more. Bye.
గంట